Okay, I don't come again with another ongoing information wey concern house matter. You will be say one builders, you don't dey builders, you need to get idea of how the carpentry work they go, how they construct scaffold, how they do decking, how they do knitting, the carpentry work wey they involve. Now I can talk about today. So today I did one very beautiful site. As I say the work they go on. I say make I just give my people the updates on how they do all this work. Remember I said we also give them an update on wood. So now those wood will be now the bad they use them. How to use those boards, those how to do scaffold, how to do all those things. What's it cost and the brain behind that. Now I can't give you now today. So you will be say want information on anything carpentry work for house, for body and every other thing. When you sit down, when you watch me today, if that's the first time you watch me, this one at Edo State Market Blog. When you click that subscribe button, you can follow me so that you go always get my news back to back as I give you all the updates. So my Facebook page now Edo State Market Blog too. May you also follow me for Facebook. So now so it be today. Me now sit down, me now watch as I give now updates on today carpentry work for sites. So make we go as I follow the oga for here they talk, because many of you boys full site. If you just they check my back and they check around as I they talk, so because you say many work don't go on for here, they don't use bamboo, some things how they be, so they will explain everything to us today. So this one at Edo State Market Blog. Keep watching. I don't did decide this one I did with this my oga. Now in one carry us around this place today, in one of the senior person for carpentry matter today. So he don't get many years of experience. So make you not listen to around now. We be say now as don't reach that stage. We be say they want to do carpentry work, they want to do body, they want to do scaffold. We want to do decking, roofing, everything. So when I listen to this, when I listen to this oga, as he tell us how the work they be, the price we be say they do them, how much they do their body and everything. When I listen, so that you will be say your eyes don't reach that stage, and you need person to help you do. And so I mean you listen now. So I want to follow my oga talk. Now you listen well to everything we be say you want to tell us. So oga, good morning, sir.
I greet you, sir. I greet you. You are welcome.
So now Edo State Market Blog, now I deal with you this morning.
You are welcome.
So my people they watch you from house everywhere for the world. People in Nigeria, people in outside country, so they watch you now. So I want maybe say you enlighten them on this carpentry work. How they do them, because sometimes not because you see any account like go give them, they not confident do the thing well. So how they be?
Normally, if you this our work, not too much experience like that. Though you still need the experience. Like me now, I'm one of the organ in this site right now, and the owner of the work, he don't see my handwork many places. So which is I don't do. You don't see a true hair, you don't see a true in friends, you don't see a true in neighbors. So before you come here to come and help them for carpenter apartment here. So by the special grace of God, we are still doing it. So we'll still continue. So easy work. Now so easy work. So we they do a stage by stage. We don't board the foundation pillars, you can see. We don't do linted. Right now we do decking. So like this project now, this kind of project now for the carpenter aspect. If you get this kind of one, we can tell you the bill where we say it go cost. And how we will do and we be say it go day solid, we go happy. We know go to charge you. As we they go from foundation to DPC, I mean from DPC to foundation, from foundation to linted, from linted to decking, from linted decking to up linted, from up linted or maybe you have in mind to do parapet, or you don't have money to do parapet. so you can still do roofing. So that's just it. We dey carry am stage by stage.
So I want to quickly ask you a question now, because you know some people now they don't get this kind of sites. They get, maybe they get like 2 flats and that kind of thing. So for that kind of 2 flat now, so you want to do all those boarding, pillar boarding and everything, like all those carpentry work. See that kind before you reach roofing, maybe knitted. Like what will be the cost of them? So that people the way they watch now, they go know, okay, if I want to give this guy work, they will feel project and no say sometimes price they change you. And just how you feel see that kind of range of amount should be.
For the materials, I be for the labor.
No, the labor first.
As it is now, presently now, if you want give me linted of 2 flat, at least as from 150. As from 150 upward. It's too, so it still depend on, because 2 flat they big past each other. Even a flat can big pass some 2 flats. So we they do some 100. We they do some. It depends on it be, and it depends on how they want to do the lintel, because some they say okay, may they just do only the entrance linted. So while the inner one will just be block. So that one still they cheaper. On depend on still maybe you don't want go up. You don't want go up here. So it depends on how they want to do it.
Okay. So Oga say it depends. Say some house they big pass some house. So now depend on the house, then go take give price of how they be. So like this kind one now, Oga, maybe they want do decking. No say before they do decking and they'll fair put boards, they'll can't use bamboo, take down. Like maybe like that 2 flat what I tell you now. Like which kind, how many material, maybe boards or all these plywood board we go fit carry.
As I said earlier, 2 flat lintel decking, at least they rate up to 250
boards.
Yes. So and 200 bamboo and 150 2x3, which is supporting decking. Like this one.
Okay, like this one.
So like this one, we they use 250. Like this bamboo now, we they use 150.
Okay, for this kind decking. So
we take stand so. Okay. All those bamboo where we use for 2 flat, normal 2 flat, 150. So board 250. While this one now we can use 120. It still depends on how the house they be.
So you see they do roofing?
By special grace of God.
Okay, like roofing now, maybe like a flat or 2.
2 flats.
Yes, like how much for that kind of roofing? Only for the labor, not the materials.
And as I said, straight roof. We say just straight one. We can do that one 200, 180. But when they don't say okay, if they get for me, this one go this way, this one go this way, this one go this way, as from 250 upward. It still depends how they get for me. But like straight roof, at least 180, 200 down house.
So you see they do people want to do plaster now for upstairs. You see they do set scaffold, like yes. Bamboo scaffold.
Yes.
Like that one, like how that one still be?
That one just 120.
Okay, to do scaffold for like 4 flats now. Maybe you want to do scaffold for them.
It still depends on the scaffold, because some things okay, me then do one leg. Some people me then do 2 legs. Maybe because that 1 leg, after the plaster finish, where we for boss hole, then go they patch the place. But when we do double leg, they will just plaster and come down straight. Then no, after they finish, no time to patch hole. They no patch any hole again. Like all those ones we they do at 180, 200.
For that double leg, Abi?
Yes.
But for single leg, they fit do
120.
Okay, so we go climb up now. We go see some of like from here, so that people they watch, you go see how your work take dey neat. You understand? Me, I use the see and I say the bamboo you're strong and it's tight well. So me we see show them, may not be saying now only my eye they see, and so that they go fit see everything around. Before I fit see talk to some other gas we see there. So we go pass here like this. Go pass here. May we start from here. May we see what they go on for here. Okay. So I beg, show them. So like this kind of one room now, like, okay, 1, 2, 3, like 15 boards now the entire one room for decking.
It depends on the room they big, because like this one a store.
Okay,
this one a store. So just you can use 15, but some room we dey use 20. Even some room we dey use 30 because it depend. Like some house they will say the master bedroom it go be past the sitting room, and so it depends how the room take big.
Okay.
So, but though sometimes we may not see the house, they fit give us the drawing. Inside the drawing, we go know the measurement where each room carry. So we go know the length of the house. We go know the length of the breadth. You go know through the plan.
Okay, na engineer like that. Okay, say if they give a drawing, you go just
Yes, of course. It's my work now. So I can read plan. I can peg house. So that is it.
Oga gets huge experience for this kind. I know. Just give you plan like you just look and you know how this one take day, how this one take day, how to position this one.
Grace of God.
Wow, I really dey happy to like this side now. All this place now, I don't do everything, abi.
We never do this one.
No, now this side, so now work for this side, so like all these boards and everything.
We never do this side now. We want to say after the linted, after this one,
Yes.
then go still put more block, which is never there.
Okay, now make now they do this side first like this. Okay, so we go find space so that we will see people say they work for. But before that, we will see follow other. Okay, you get anything to share us to us for?
He's one of my workers.
Okay.
It's one of my guys too. So which is we say if I know they around, I will say okay, go monitor me for go help me, go represent me for this social site. So I know they around though. So and he go do and the way I no go even feel do and he go even do a perfect more than me, which is I trust him. You can see some board.
Yeah, greetings, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, well done, sir.
I hear you.
How they be now? They work.
You know, this our work, so you go make person try to learn work well. I think you understand. So we now we learn the work well. So and we still get the certificate of the work. And I use 6 years to learn this work. I think you understand. So what is the is that the many people we see they back, those youths made themselves try to learn work so that made them perfect their work.
Okay.
And no be say to just enter site, just to do work when be say you no learn as Sabian, you just have to do it. So it's not fair. So
Okay.
that be my advice.
Okay, no wahala. So Oga now, we say now let Benin you dey work, abi you dey work for all.
Throughout Nigeria, you no get state for this country as a Nigeria we are never reach. State for this country. I fit no go the capital state but
So
for
you don't work for place for inside.
the state.
Okay. So as we still dey now, I don't stay market blog. Now carry greetings come with this Oga today. Now they in charge of the carpentry work wey dey happen for this big site wey dey say so. And we see say na better work now they do for here. Now make us say make we visit them so that they go fit show our viewers the secret behind their work. So they don't tell us now say their work na neat work that they do and una go see am with una eye. So I not just want from down the video alone. I see say na very big site.
Through this work, we don't still get another site. Somebody they pass when he sight this work from inside motor, he don't still give us another site. Through this one.
So now English they say one good turn or one good work deserve another. So now so it be. So before we come back to Oga, one quick show now. What did they happen for up? We go see to show now around the rooms. When I say they can't work, they need pillars. So we be say they put for ground. I never even see where Smith they leak. Come outside for inside the pillars so they do. So I go show now everything make una see am well. So make a quick show now what did they happen for up. No, the one we don't. So I not just one day down, they tell now say see how this man they work, see how they work, see how they work. So now up of the decking we be say that they do now be this. So as you see now you see the board where they don't place. So they don't arrange them. People see they work for the other side like this. I say make I climb but make I show now. So that not be just say I did down now they talk. And I not see what they go on for up. Now where they don't work reach be this. So you see now the two guys will be say they manage this particular work on this side. Now they with me beside me so you see how it be for here like this. So I want so now like this one now. This one don't this set like this. Yes. So now make weather if you finish one now, what come the next now for this kind of one?
After this one we don't do so now for weather to start the iron. After the iron of the weather, electrician go work, then they cast.
So the bamboo way they down just now to support this one so that as you climb and now you not go.
As you can see, So you see.
Yes. So the thing is strong well. Now by this, so my people are there up. So now the same thing see they go on for that side. Now the side will say.
For we to get straight of the work now, we take our line from that side to the ending. So that's how we line or go.
Okay, if you don't take that line, if you go miss, if you go
gallop, you go gallop. This one go, this one, like this one now. If you high pass this one, like this one, you go high pass this one. By that time, we then go, they do ties. They will come, they give them problem. Now there you go see, say, one room step down for veranda. So, but when you don't take a proper line and range, plumb, you will see, say, by the time we then they do ties, you know, give the tiler any problem.
Okay, now I understand. If you know, because as I they look and everything just be like say just level like bed here they go. So if you not take that level, now be like some place come high, pass on side. Okay, no can't get balance. Okay. Okay, you know chairman. See the way they explain. I
now
say
the work we learn, we use time. We use time to learn the work. We know your rush enter. At least if I don't make mistake for this work now, I have 30 years experience in this work.
Yeah.
And I get my own building. I get wife, I get children, I build house in my village, and I build for a year. And I get my small car where I take to manage my children go school.
So now Benin here now you did?
Yes. Okay. I'm Yoruba from Osun State.
Okay, but now Benin here now you based. Okay. So now the carpentry work updates where I can't give you now today now be this one. Oga say in they do different things so like decking like this in they do board for knitted, in they do board for pillar, DPC and every other thing.
We do furniture work, we do chair.
Okay, he said they do furniture work.
We do chair, we do doors, we do kitchen cabinet, we do. In fact, inside anything called carpentry aspect for us, we are doing it.
Okay. So now the site will carry greeting come meet this Oga today. Now Edo State Market Blog now be this. So I also they appreciate now for the time will be so now city they follow us, they watch our video and everything will be say with the show now for this platform. So today now carpentry update I can't give you now. So share your thoughts on this particular video. Will be say I can't make for you today. Share your thoughts, share your comments, may you share, may you like, may everybody see this particular work. In case you too never ready for this one, but share this video so that maybe they appreciate good things for Nigeria. Those are our fathers and our daddies will be say our brothers will see the work so that we see they appreciate the good work will be say that they do. I beg my page never see change though. Now Edo State Market Blog for YouTube. I beg press that subscribe button. If you never follow me for Facebook too, I beg me you follow me for Edo State Market Blog too. So that any updates where they drop, in case you not the YouTube, you officially watch them for Facebook. So now the updates we I can't carry give you now today for inside Edo State Market Blog. We always give now updates of anything we be say it they happen within, outside and around Benin City, even in the whole Nigeria. So now so it be. The weather now they face more this morning, so we don't see come outside. They give an update of what they happen around. So keep watching. This one at Edo State Market Blog.